When your Onkyo receiver remote stops working, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that solve most common issues. First, check for obstructions. Your remote uses infrared signals to communicate with the receiver. Any object blocking the path between remote and receiver will prevent commands from working. Next, replace the batteries with fresh ones. Weak batteries are the most common cause of remote problems. Make sure to install them with correct polarity, positive and negative ends in the right direction. Clean the battery contacts if you see any corrosion or buildup. Use a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts. Dirty contacts prevent proper electrical connection. Try the power discharge trick. Remove the batteries completely, then press and hold the power button on the remote for 20 seconds. This discharges any residual power and clears minor glitches. Then reinsert the batteries. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most remote control issues. If your remote still doesn't work after trying these solutions, you may need advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Onkyo remote issues, these advanced solutions can help restore functionality. First, try resetting your remote control. There are two common methods depending on your remote model. Alternatively, for some models, press and hold the receiver and home buttons until the remote indicator lights up. If resetting doesn't work, try reprogramming the remote. Make sure your receiver is powered on first. It's crucial that your remote ID matches your receiver's ID. If they don't match, the remote won't communicate properly with your receiver. Outdated receiver firmware can cause remote control problems. Check Onkyo's website for firmware updates for your specific receiver model. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your receiver. However, be warned, this will erase all your custom settings and configurations. If none of these advanced solutions work, contact Onkyo support for professional assistance. They can help diagnose hardware issues that may require repair or replacement. These advanced solutions should resolve most persistent remote control issues. Remember to try them in order, starting with remote resets before moving to more drastic measures like factory resets.